The inbuilt whiteboard is an incredible tool for brainstorming sessions, team presentations, and classrooms. It makes every meeting a collaborative one. Combined with the infrared touch panel that supports up to 20 touch points and has an accuracy of 1 mm, that makes the experience far superior. When you open the whiteboard, you will see three different sections: the taskbar, the toolbar, and pages. Exit is the first button on the taskbar and is used to quit the whiteboard. In case you click on exit in an unsaved session, the whiteboard is smart enough to ask you if you want to exit or save it first. The minimize function allows you to hide the whiteboard if you want to use another app in the middle of your session. The next two buttons, annotate and board, are different modes under which you can run the whiteboard. Board allows you to access the infinite canvas and custom backgrounds, and annotate allows you to draw on top of any presentation, source, or applications. Now let's move to the toolbar where the real fun happens. The first is the pen tool, that you can customize the type of pen, the thickness of the pen, and its colors. Next is eraser. Eraser allows you to erase by touch, selecting an area, or by wiping the entire canvas. Select option is useful to move and scale things around the canvas or to zoom in and zoom out of the canvas. There's also undo and redo options for rectifying any minor errors that you may want. There are some more functions available under the More tab. Background allows you to pick the canvas color or to customize it as per your choice. From symbols, you can add templates and shapes from the list or directly add it onto your canvas. Or you can enable the smart shape detection, which automatically recognizes any hand-drawn shape. Next is insert. Insert allows you to add any image directly into the whiteboard for easy access. The multi-canvas option allows multiple users to have individual sessions inside the whiteboard at the same time. Once you're done with your session, you have the option to save it. You can share the session via QR code, save it on the CloudTouch for accessing later, or emailing it to the participants. The lock button locks the toolbar into place, and unlocking it will automatically hide it when it's not in use. The pages section allows you to add new pages, browse between pages or the existing pages by clicking on the previous and next buttons. You also can switch between the pages or delete the ones that you don't require. The switch button changes the placement of the taskbar and the pages, which gives you easy access to either regardless of where you're standing.